100 times better dun compared dun sa gulong na yun. Actually, ngayon lang ako natapos kasi I had to adjust the brakes again. But it's looking great. Right? So, on to the next part. We're going to lace. And then true. Hindi ko na kayo binore dun sa pagpapalit ng gulong because I've been videoing yung pagpapalit ng gulong for a very long time na. So, next time na ulit. Bike buds, so been working on the Muddy Fox and so far nakabit ko na yung crankset and then the canties, so nakita nyo naman pati na siya, but we have the levers. I've been using the Shimano SIS shifter, so 7-speed friction, 6-speed index, then we have the 200 GS that will be using. So partners yung brakes natin. Shimano 200, M200, BR M200, saka BL M200. So I removed these. This is for repainting. So probably we'll just paint it since it's a cargo bike. This will be our service bike. Cargo bike natin siya. We can just repaint it. No need to have it powder coated. Probably because the theme of the bike is white, black, and then of course this elegant color, I don't know what it's called. Probably paint this white and then this black, then we'll put them together again. So tandem name siya with the Muddy Fox BMX over here, Muddy Fox MTB. This will be our cargo bike, so I want it as original as possible. I do have the original stem, but I want a Gervin stem since I'm a fan of Gervin. And then yeah, so we're here at the shop. There, nakasabit. You can come anytime. We are at 17 Alicante Tower, Markinton Residences, Marikina City. So Markinton Residences along Toyota Avenue. So this is also where the coffee shop Barista Reto is. So if you want to have a build, kwentuhan, chit-chat, tambay, kwentuhan, kape, this is the perfect place for you. So, sige, to continue on with this build, see you next time.